Yo, DJ Vadim Inja, this one's dedicated to anyone that's been down. Trust me, there is always hope out there. There is always a rise, there is always a sun behind the cloud, yes. Don't matter if it's dark, there will always be daylight, there will always be something. So for those that think they've lost hope and that feel that you're down and out, you are never there. Because sometimes life can just pick you up, take you down, twist you around and put you all the way back on your feet, you feel me? Cheers. Now, sometimes it all falls down and I see my dreams all shattered on the ground. So I pick myself up by any means, how like life at a game ready for the next round. So I brush off the dirt with my eyes on the clouds like where's God, where he's out on the town. And I feel like the odd one now when everybody's happy living life on the bounce. Like anytime I fail, the gods then forgot me. I never win, so I'm caught in the monotony. Downhill spiral, I can't control poverty. I need a jetpack or a parachute, probably. Clear boy never said this in a prophecy. I would live life borderline on philosophy. Impoverished but I bombarded on chitty car, you know that. Self-destructive, my head feels mixed up. Feel like I wanna just cuss and get drunk, get blunts and get cut. Cause I feel heads done now. Chasing a destiny that I can't touch. Stuck in a rut and I feel like a punk. Might hit something that'll give me a jump. Liquor like white, why am I drunk? When you're at the bottom, only way is up. And if you got a motto, live by it all. Whilst we only live once and regret is a bumps. Every day's brand new, take it as it comes.